Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have another case for your Galaxy S24 Ultra, but before I get into this review, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I have another case for your Galaxy S24 Ultra. In today's video, I decided to pick up from Amazon the Ringke Atlas case or Allies case for the Galaxy S24 Ultra. I reviewed this case for the iPhone 15 Pro a couple days ago, and someone that was watching one of my other videos say, hey, why don't you review this for the S24 Ultra? I did not know they was making it, so I went to Amazon and I was able to pick it up. If you don't know who Ringke is, I don't know where you've been. They make some great cases. I'm actually using their Ringke Onyx as one of my everyday cases right now that I use. But like we normally do in my reviews, we'll make sure everything lines up. Can your wireless charge? How strong is the magnet on here? How good is the kickstand? Do you get camera protection? Do you get lip action? You know, just the normal things you look for in a case video. If you want to pick up this case, I will have the links in the description so that way you can pick it up for your own beautiful S24 Ultra. But again, if you haven't watched one of my videos from Ringke, it says live a better day. Just live a better day, y'all. Not going to go more into that. Follow them at ringke.com. They're on Facebook. They're on Twitter or Instagram too. I follow them on Twitter, so go follow them on Twitter. You can see the latest and greatest cases that they have. Again, I love the packaging. It's simple, but like if I'm not using the case, I can put it back in here and just keep it protected. You get your normal 20% off stuff, but here is the case itself. So it's like almost like a two-piece case. The back is hard plastic. I love how it has that matte finish. The one thing that Ringke is doing is the grip on the sides. I like the grips on the side. That is very important. It has a Ringke logo on there too. The precise cutouts. Okay, this might be one of the best cases. Oh, it's in there. Definitely not going to come out. Let's see. Definitely not going to come out easy. But everything lines up at the bottom. You have a lot of room for your charging port. It's easy to get the pin out. Look at that precise cutout for the back though. I mean precise all the way. And you have lip action too. You can see, camera protection there. You also have lip action all the way around the phone. You have lip action on the sides and the top. If you can see that. The extra grip, I love the grip. You can feel it when you're holding it. The power button feels great. It's a little bit hard to press, but not bad. It's not like the hardest one I have. The volume rockers are nice and easy to press. Nice and tactile. It doesn't really add bulk. Not really. It's not a bulky case. It feels good. I love these cases. I probably will rock this case for a little bit because it doesn't add bulk and it has some grip to it. I do like the black and gold again. Let's check out the kickstand. So the kickstand is sturdy. So you're going to be able to watch it like this. You're also going to be able to watch it like this. Or even vertically like that. So you have multiple angles to watch your videos on. Let's see the overall fit. Overall fit is nice and snug. Yeah. It will take some work to get this phone out of the case too. That's a lot of work. So again, if you drop in your phone, let me lower. So if you're going to drop your phone, it's not going to pop out. Like, you don't have to worry about your phone popping out of this case. Man, that is a snug fit, y'all. That is a super snug fit in there. Let's check out how strong the magnet is. And can you use the S Pen with the magnet? Let's see. How strong is this magnet? Feels pretty good on there. Let's see if I can draw. Create a note. So Forbes, Tech, Reviews. So yeah, the pen is working really good. I don't have any issues. And I'm charging the phone at the same time. And the magnet is really, yeah, the magnet is really strong on there. I love this Atlas case, or Alice case, however you want to pronounce it. A-L-L-E-S, however you want to pronounce it. This might become one of my favorite cases. Let's see if you can pick the phone up. So, with Ringke now, too, you can have the different options. Like, you have this, too. So, you have a ring holder, or even a kickstand, a different kickstand. So, I'm going to have the links to all these little attachments. You can pick it up, also, for your own phone. So let's just recap for you real quick. The buttons feel really good. I love the grip and overall fit of this case. You have a lot of room down here. Everything lines up, even at the top. The fit is really great. You get lip protection. You have precise camera cutouts. The magnet is really strong on this case. The kickstand is there. It's strong. I mean, it works good. Now, the only problem I have, if you have it out, if you get it stuck like this, it could break. It could, but I mean, it is strong. It doesn't feel like it's going to just close on its own. You have to actually push it down. And the magnet is strong. So, if you want to pick up this case, again, look in the description. I will have the links there. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forbes Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.